How to repost an Instagram post. So if you want to repost an Instagram post, then first let's see if it's possible or not. Open up your Instagram. Once you're here on the Instagram, now if you want to repost a post, so for example, if you have this post, right? So if you want to repost this, then you can repost that to your story. So tap on the share option, and here you will have add to story. So tap on add to story, and you can add that to your story. But if you want to post that, then there is no way that you can post someone's post, or there's no way where you can repost a post on Instagram. So we don't have that feature yet, but we have that feature on our Twitter or X application. So if you want to repost, then you can go to Twitter or TikTok or like other applications, but on Instagram we don't have that option. Instead of that, you can simply tap on share, and then you can add that to your story, and that's it. That's how you can repost. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.